Hi there, Marlman 1961 here, dusty table. Another little find I just made. It is, I'll shut it up so you can see it first, a pocket watch. I'll put it down, it'll focus better, there we go. You can see the lovely pattern on it. It's got a top. Smooth, and it is mechanical, it's hand wound, but it's a Braille. There's no glass, as you can see. It's Swiss made, says down here, Swiss made at the bottom. Where's my finger? There it is. Camera's on the side, so it's weird this. But you can feel, and the hands are quite raised, so you can feel where they are in relation to the dots. There's no 1, 2, 3, it's just, you obviously know 3's over this side and 9's this side. The position of the winder tells you the 3 o'clock position, so you feel it, you can feel the little hand or the big hand touching the 4 position and the 10. The little one's just over the 10. You can feel the 12. So, I mean, it'll take practice, obviously, a few times to do it, but I'm sure you'd soon get used to it. And there's, unfortunately, there's no maker's name, and I've tried, the nearest I could see was $270 in America. So I'm not sure what that translates to. It's very similar to this. It's got dusty. This is the only problem with it, I suppose, would be it'd get very grubby. But it works a treat. I don't know if I can. I don't know where the mic is. Trying to do a tick test, but there you go. It's got a hinge. It's very well made. Nice chromium hinge, well, chromium plate. It's nothing. Like I say, there's no whistles, no bells. It's got a nice little spirally pattern, which was the pattern I was talking to a weapon collector about for his crossbows. And it looked nice on the aluminium. It's done with like a bit of dowling and grinding paste in a drill. It gives that lovely swirly effect. Takes a little bit of time, but there you go. But what a lovely piece, and it keeps time lovely. I'm tempted, I don't want to open the back, you know, I suppose it might even tell me what make it is, but I don't want to mess with it, you know. If it ain't broke, don't mend it, don't be messing about with it, because it's probably clean in there. So I'm going to leave it as it is while it's working. And that's the time as we speak here in the UK. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.